Welcome back, guys. Another beautiful fall afternoon, fall Saturday at Stonehouse Acres. I rented this beefy log splitter off Facebook Marketplace. The guy gave me a hell of a deal. Looks a little sketchy. We'll see how she goes, but as you can see, ton of wood I need to split, just some trees this fall and summer that had to come down, and gonna stock up on wood for the winter, and eventually gonna build up a nice kind of wood shelter here as well. So let's get splitting. We got a lot to do. That's gonna do it for splitting for this year. I think I'll be all right with this pile. This 20-ton wasn't ideal, but it got the job done. It just took a little slower as it to work from the outside in. It wasn't just easy on the big logs, but we got her done. The logs I have left are too long for the splitter. I really didn't want to take time today to chainsaw them all down, so we'll save those for next year. But think we're all good. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, click like and subscribe down below.